spot to make a campfire. There's plenty of space, good weather, and good company. These are the key components for making a perfect campfire. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Before we start, make sure that the fire ban season is over and make sure that you have a backup plan in case of emergency. It is essential that you have a backup plan as people do get hurt playing with fire. Make sure to have a bucket of water handy so that you can put your fire out at the end.
So first you want to choose an area that's safe to have a fire, such as right here.
The area that you choose needs to be clear of leaves, sticks and other natural substances that can cause a fire, like these. Before you start making your fire, you first need to build a fire pit. The best way to do this is by digging out a circular hole. Using the shovel, dig about 10 centimeters into the ground and place a row of rocks around the ditch. Marking an area of where to put your fire will keep things tidy when you make it.
Now that you've cleared the area and made a spot for the fire, it's time to collect all the materials you need now to make one. You can choose the following: matches or flint and steel, paper or small twigs, kindling or sticks, and finally some large logs. An awesome tip is to use a saw to make things a lot easier when cutting the wood to the right size to suit the fire pit. Now that you have these materials, place them to the side of the campfire, not too close to the fire pit so they won't accidentally catch alight.
Firstly, if you're using paper, you want to scrunch it up a little bit so that it's tight, but not too tight that no air can get through. A bit like this. Once that is done, grab some small twigs like these and arrange them around the paper in a triangular shape. You want to continue this process just using bigger sticks each time.
Now to lighting the fire. First we're going to use matches. Light a match and ignite the paper in the center of the TP. Make sure to light the paper from underneath so that the flame can burn upwards. The paper will catch a light and then the sticks until the whole TP is lit.
Creating ignition with a flint and steel is slightly more difficult than using matches. Before you start using the flint and steel, you want to make sure that you have a TP already built so that once you put the paper that's on fire into the fire pit, everything will catch light straight away. Using a pocket knife, scrape the flint rod to spread magnesium onto the paper. The magnesium is extremely flammable, but only burns for a short period of time, so it is perfect for igniting the paper. Make sure to keep adding wood to the fire so that it doesn't go out. Now that the fire is burning without you tending to it all the time, it's time to relax.
Hey Ben, do you reckon we should make some marshmallows?
Why not?
Alright, to make the perfect marshmallow, you need to stay focused at all times.
Grab a stick, put a Pascal marshmallow on it, put it in the fire near the coals, slowly rotate it. Take it out after a couple of seconds and then enjoy.
It's very important that you put out your fire very safely.
To do so, slowly pour water over the fire in small increments.
Thank you so much for watching this video.
We hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.